Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WebPageTest for SEO speed benchmarking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the WebPageTest website. You can access it at www.webpagetest.org. Once the page loads, you'll see a simple interface. Look for the Enter a Website URL field. Input the URL of the website you want to test. Select the browser you want to use from the drop-down menu. If necessary, choose the location for the test to simulate different connection speeds. Next, set any advanced test options if you require specific testing scenarios. Once your settings are configured, click the Start Test button. Wait a moment as WebPageTest analyzes your web page. After the test completes, you'll see a summary of the results. Review the load time and first byte time metrics. Take note of the waterfall chart for a detailed view of resource loading. Identify areas where loading times can be improved. Use the provided suggestions to optimize your page's performance. You can also compare tests by running them multiple times. To save your results, create an account or use a temporary link. Remember to monitor your site's speed regularly for ongoing SEO performance. This process ensures that you maintain a fast and efficient user experience. By following these steps, you can effectively use WebPageTest for SEO speed benchmarking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.